Leaked Galaxy Book4 Edge Pro advertisement images reveal more specs. The render images of Samsung Galaxy Book4 Edge series were already leaked earlier. Now, materials to be used in Samsung's commercial promotions have emerged, revealing many details about the upcoming laptops. There are two regular Book4 Edge models, one with a 14-inch display and the other with a 16-inch display. Book4 Edge Pro, on the other hand, comes only in a 16-inch model. These laptops have model numbers NP9 for OXMAKB1DE, NP960XMAKB1DE, and NP960XMBKB1DE. Samsung's advertisement image reveals that Snapdragon X Elite has 45 TOPS NPU computing power. All leaked images belong to the Book4 Edge Pro. The upcoming laptop features a 61.8 watt-hours battery and supports 6.5W fast charging via USB-C. Samsung promises a 22-hour battery life during a movie playback at 1080p resolution and 150 nits. Additionally, it was already known that the Galaxy Book4 Edge Pro has dual USB-C ports, but newly emerged leaked images revealed that both ports support the USB 4.0 standard. Snapdragon X Elite is powerful enough to support not just one but two USB 4.0 ports.